Bank on Elon Musk, now I've been trying to duck the paparazzi. Went to selling bricks, remember started with an ounce of Molly. Now I'm so damn lit when I pull up, these bitches starting rides. Never thought that I'd be rapping.
If I was to do it, I'd go like off of here.
Yeah.
Aim for the middle.
Yeah, just in case.
Yeah, for sure. All right, it's good.
You get a full ascending now?
Yeah. Yeah! Let's check the run up here. Ah, that's pretty sketch. Yo, that's such a weird berm. I don't even know what the line is. If it's shorter or taller. I think less speed might be the move. Oh, ooh, ooh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, my pedal came off.
GL4, got no GL4, got slide to the slide and better go. That boy take down the go. On my Glock, they match. My drugs ain't my match. I heard his whole gang stack. Heard them boys just flag. I got that twin. Run that bit like EA Sport. AK got that knives, I'm not surprised. How about take it like Draco got that kick, got that start, so I ain't gon' do no phone. Deactivate my ground, talking about yeah, just what he like. Feel like 2 guns, 7 point, I'm pissed like I don't know my rights. I think that you ball for real, they gon' have to call my blood on 10. Jesus, piece of cross, diamond glasses in the rough. Talking on the gram, I had enough. Thought that man take up, might tie you up. She gon' find something. Might kiss that shit.
Yeah. Oh, that's absolutely mint.
Oh, there's trees down in the creek.